Hello everyone, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. I am Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie analysis and movie recommendations. Today, I gonna review Khuda Hafiz. The film focuses on a newly married couple who gets worstly affected by the 2008 economic recession. Both of them lost their jobs and started searching for opportunity in foreign countries. Both of them found their respective jobs in a fictional country called Noman, where the wife had to fly first for the joining. Everything turned into a nightmare when the husband, played by Vidyut Jamwal, gets a call from his wife Nargis. He landed himself in Noman, which is completely an unknown place for him. He started searching for his wife. He also takes the help of the police force of Noman, Indian embassy, and the taxi driver of Noman, played by Annu Kapoor. The story has developed on the base on human trafficking, and it leads to suspense. Here I will discuss some good and bad aspects of the film so that you can ultimately decide whether you want to watch this film or not. The film is 2 hours and 13 minutes long. I think this film could have been 15 minutes shorter to make it smoother. One thing I loved about the film is the narrative. No caricaturing character and beautiful characters development. It has also shown what a common man exactly goes through when he is on a tough mission in a different country. It is not like any other action-adventure movie where you will hardly see any political or government involvement, which is absolutely impossible and nonsense. This film is also time-specific. It has exactly focuses on 2008, where the technology was not smart enough, and how people were dealing with the situation without the help of smart technology. For example, Vidyut uses notepad for the contacts, paper map for the location, telephone directories for the pin codes. Well, okay, all Vidyut Jamwal fans, they must have waited for the some action. Well, this film has a long action sequence happening in a narrow corridor, and each second of the scene was thrilling. The scene has shot beautifully, and it has also showing the uncomfortability of the character who is not a trained fighter. But after so many perfection of this particular scene, this is not looking badass. Why? Because the computerized blood. The blood flashed all over the corridor, and these are animated, and it was not looking good at all. Another thing I didn't like about this film is the accent the actors are using, especially Ahana Kumra and Shiv Pandit, are bizarre. The combination of set design, art direction and costume makes this film look visually appealing. The beautiful music composition is adding a lot more value to the film. Shiv Pandit, plays by the role of Abu Malik, an intelligence officer of Noman, has done a good job. Annu Kapoor, one of the most talented actors we have in our country, is flawless and gives justification to his character. Ahana Kumra is also very good, except the accent thing I have already discussed about. Well, I like the action scenes of Ahana. Let's come to Vidyut Jamwal now. This film has given Vidyut to showcase his talent skill more than his action skill. Well, we have been watching him doing typical accents in all of his films, but here in Khuda Hafiz, the situation is different. The moment when he is pleading the Indian embassy for help to find his wife, or thanking Annu Kapoor for his unconditional help, all are enough to explore the area of his acting which has not done in his other films. I will say this is the best performance of Jamwal of his career so far. In this film, there is no heroism in the character of Vidyut Jamwal, which is a fresh air to a Vidyut Jamwal film. This film has a human approach, and this is much more worth watching than those overrated commercial action films we have been watching in theaters in so many years. This film definitely has so many flaws, but it is worth a try. This film is streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. You can watch this film over there. And if you like my suggestion and my review, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.